All right, folks. Get them back in the water. Decent one. There you go. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kill Outdoors. We're out here on the James River. That's right, y'all. Little secret location. Out here with my big brother, Mr. Al Sheik West, Catfish King. Out here with my daughter. Out here with my lady. We can see what we can do, y'all. We already got the head on there. Striper season is in. We can try to catch some catfish, but striper bites, you know what time it is. My brother just cast out. See how long it takes. Let's get it out here. Let's get it out here.
Okay, I'll get the mouth of the coop. Don't get it confused.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Let's see the setup. What you got on this one?
All right, so I have 60-pound mono, and I also have some two-way barrel swivels. Tackle box looking a little light right now because, you know, I fish by according to week by week right now.
Oh, you getting hit? You getting hit?
Oh, where it at?
It's slack. No, I want that one, but he knocked slack in your line. I don't think he on there. He might.
Not yet. But when he do,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, what are you saying now?
So we got the offset circle hooks here.
What size? Show the camera real quick. 8-aught. Big hook.
8-aught.
I don't think I got that big on mine. I think I got like 5 or 4.
If you're looking for striper, man, you can go with a 6, you know what I mean? But an 8 will definitely do it. But if you look at this laterally, like this, it's not in line. It's offset. They hook themselves. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
You see that? Offset. That's how you do it.
Gotcha.
I can't.
Got a decent one? Oh yeah, he got some weight to him. You want me to lower it all the rod? What size is it on? Okay.
Little tight.
Still fishing for that river monster. A fat little joker though.
Look at his mouth on him, man. They have different personalities like people, I guess. The mouth on him is big. What you talking about? You look delicious.
That's where I hooked him at, right in the corner, yep.
Right in the corner of the mouth. Yes, sir.
Right on.
Yep. That's gonna release now. You want to touch him like?
I suppose.
See the teeth in his mouth? Look at the teeth. See those? They grab. They're little, tiny little things they grab.
Tell her these are small ones.
Yeah, that's small. That's definitely
He's
very,
soft.
Yeah.
I'd rather take my seat.
All right.
He's up.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Okay.
Good.
Okay, he's on there now.
All right.
No! No! I took. Oh no, he's still on there. He's still on there.
Keep going.
Hey, tighten the drag for me. No, mine's good. I want to feel the fight.
All right.
There we go. There we go. Feel the fight. Tell you what, got some fight in him, don't he? Watch back. Watch back. Oh yeah, it's a decent one. So y'all gonna let him take it this time. Kept getting off. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Awesome, Alex. Awesome.
Here we go.
Good job.
Right on. Kill Outdoors. He's a decent one.
Listen to him.
Decent one. Hold on, let me pick him up. See how I'm gonna pick him up first.
Right behind us, like, yeah.
Been a while since I done caught catfish. Right in the corner, right where it's supposed to be. Oh, he talking to me. Hold on. You got all the pliers? Oh, Mike.
See that? You see how
Oh, well, let's...
Yeah. Let me pick him up.
Look at him.
There you go.
All right, I'm at the.
Say, get over
Got
here.
little tykes for
There you go. Nice one, nice one. Yes, sir. All right, folks. Get them back in the water. Decent one. There you go. Got a little something on here, y'all. See what we got.
Oh, you trying to go with the wood?
Oh yeah, he trying to go to the right. What is that? Oh, there you go. There you go. You got him.
I thought he was waiting.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! You got your other line. Get off your rod. Get off your rod. Yeah, there you go. Bring it under it. There you go.
Something small.
There you go. Little cat.
James of a specialty.
Little cat. Not bad. Not bad. Decent blue.
All right. Yeah.
Decent blue.
Put him back and get some more. Got him?
Yep. Tight drag on. Get him on in here. Little peon. Good eating size catfish. Not bad. Need to get bigger though. That's a better one. Oh, okay. He was gonna come back. Reach a small one, hook sideways. Oh no, he ain't big. He looked like he was 100 pounds. Came up, he was 2 pounds. Still holding on that tail though. So he the size of the last one. Ain't nothing to him. Ain't nothing to him. Yep. Save the tail, I can throw that again. Alright folks, that wraps it up. We just stayed out here a few hours. I think we got like 5 or 6, something like that. Nothing big. Trying to catch some river monsters, but hey, that's fishing. Still had fun. Hopefully we can get on some stripers and some bigger cats here soon. And as always, like, subscribe, share with somebody. And I'm gonna leave y'all with some pictures of some real river monsters that my brother be catching. See y'all next time.